16039. Welcome to Okada. Let's check it out. This is Okada.
Hi, welcome to our room.
This is like Tokyo style Wonderland.
Yes.
Got the TV over there. Here's the room. Super cool. Let's go over here. It's the bedroom, king size.
Hi.
And this is her favorite.
No, it's not.
That's the tub.
This is the top, but it's so deep.
Wow, this is amazing.
This is the top, but
It's amazing.
So... Hold on.
Yeah, look at that. Look, it's gonna open by itself. Watch. This is automatic.
I know.
This is the shower right here.
Okay.
Oh, that's the other way. It's cool.
This is probably Tokyo, but 10 times bigger.
Yeah. It's a bedroom again. Here's the walk-in closet.
It also comes with a human talking cat.